Customer needs are evolving. Increased demand for product diversity at workplaces led to micro markets replacing many vending machines, a development that transformed our industry. The next question facing operators is, how can we improve the same in-demand products in locations that need more security? The answer? Smart stores with easy checkout, just walk away technology. With Stockwell 2.0 from 365 Retail Markets, you can use a checkout solution that combines the security of a vending machine with the product diversity of a micro market, allowing you to provide high-margin items to untapped locations like hotels, hospitals, college campuses, airports, and more. Stockwell 2.0's locked doors and automated product recognition helps you provide a secure, desirable shopping experience for customers in high-transient locations. To start the checkout process, your customer simply issues payment at the versatile cashless terminal via credit, debit, mobile payments, or GMA member payments through the 365 app. After payment is issued, the Stockwell door opens. From here, your customer simply selects their product. Advanced product recognition technologies know exactly what your customer selects and fills their cart accordingly. Now your customer simply closes the door and walks away. The presented payment method will automatically be charged for the items removed. And for consumers using the 365 Pay app, they will receive a receipt in the app a few minutes later. Stockwell 2.0 includes many improvements to the original Stockwell design. We've enhanced previous generations to offer the convenience and accessibility of a smart store to any client, with the added benefit of being tied into the 365 connected campus ecosystem. Stockwell 2.0 also improved features including both ambient and refrigerated sections to offer a variety of goods to your client locations, more space for products, snacks and drink pushers for improved merchandising and product accessibility, as well as an attractive design for versatile placement opportunities. We've optimized Stockwell 2.0 for improved operational efficiency. The unit is much lighter and easier to move than previous generations. Plus, service access through the front panel enables faster and more convenient machine maintenance. Managed as part of your existing 365 product ecosystem, you can rely on ADM insights to learn what is selling and what is not to create a dynamic product mix that is sure to leave everyone satisfied. Here at 365, we can provide you with a self-service retail experience that is tailored to what you value. As the global leader in unattended retail technology, we are experts in delivering custom solutions and benefits to our clients. Our platform enables wellness, loyalty, and incentive programs, allowing us to customize your Stockwell to serve the needs of your location. 365 is a US-based company integrated with all major VMS systems and Lightspeed warehouse solutions, providing you with a one-stop shop as your trusted technology partner. Plus, we provide reliable and functional devices that meet the highest security and compliance standards. Contact us at 365retailmarkets.com to get started with the Stockwell 2.0 and open your business to new opportunities.